Barn. I'm Libby, and today we are putting together some tulip bouquets for our Spring CSA subscriptions. So grab some coffee and let's put some bouquets together. This little guy is going to be hanging out with us this morning. I don't know if he's going to be in the video or if he's going to decide he wants to be down and he'll be happy and playing around in the background, but in any case, you know, that's part of being a stay-at-home mom and a small business owner. You just have to do what you can, and if they're in a good mood, great, and if not, then that happens too. So we're in the kitchen, and if you have watched a few of our videos from this year, you might have heard that we are doing a kitchen remodel. So right now, we have part of the cabinets done for the coffee bar, and I'm gonna change the angle for the camera throughout this video, so you're probably gonna see our crazy setup here with the coffee bar, open cabinets right now. We haven't finished the doors, and everything has not been painted, so it's a work in progress. So this is kind of an example of what it'll look like. A lot of times I will keep some of the flowers that I'm planning on putting in to the bouquets just so I can see how they're blooming and developing in the vase. I want to make sure that the clients are getting the best possible vase life. So I really want to make sure that it looks good throughout, and that's why I keep a vase of the flowers for myself so I can see. We have okra here, and it's really opening up beautifully. It's a double tulip. This one, what is this one called? Is this called an impression, I think? Ugh. I'll put it on the screen. I'm forgetting what this one is and this one. They're the same type, but just different colors. This is a Columbus, and this is a double tulip. It's my very favorite tulip ever. So lots of fun varieties. When I chose our flowers for this year, I really was inspired by Dunkin' Donuts. I know that's crazy, but that's the best way to say it. I love orange and pink, and that is what inspired me this year. All right, let's get into it. Basically what I'm gonna do is lay out in stacks all of the bouquets. So let's say for this week I have, let's say 7 that I am delivering today. I'm gonna go ahead and lay them out flat. I'm not sure what the recipe is going to be for this week's CSA. I know that I have a lot of the okra and then less of these tall, I think they're impressions. Oh man, I can't remember what they are. In any case, the tall pink ones. So I'm gonna mix it up and we'll see how it looks when I'm done.
I like to start off with the tallest stems and work down to the shortest. So I'm starting off by laying down the pink and salmon impression tulips. I will include probably 4 of these in each bouquet. Then I'm adding in the other varieties like okra, Columbus, ruby prince, and flashpoint for additional texture and color contrast. These all have different heights and will open up in the vase differently, which hopefully gives our CSA members a unique experience. Now I will wrap them all using this pre-cut rectangular craft paper, which I will link in the description below. I try to arrange the blooms so that they are all laying nicely together and none of the stems are compromised. Then I take 2 skinny rubber bands and bind them into a bunch. Depending on the bloom size, I usually try to stick with 12 to 13 or 14 blooms. It's really up to my personal opinion when I'm putting all the bouquets together. When the bouquets are wrapped, I staple them one time and then I add a sticker, usually on top of the staple. We ordered our labels from Lightning Labels, and I definitely recommend checking them out. for label production if you're looking for one. I'm not sponsored by them, but I really enjoyed the customer service working with their team. I cut the rectangular craft paper about 2 to 4 inches up from the bottom of the middle on the longest side, and then I fold those flaps into rectangles that allow me to use the wrapping paper a little bit easier. I usually do this in a bulk action to save time, but I forgot because I was busy recording this video. This paper is really flexible and I use it for a lot of things around the farm throughout the whole season, so I definitely recommend this type of paper. This is the step where I'm inspecting each stem and really making sure that the high quality stems and blooms are ready to go before finalizing the wrapped bouquet. I leave the leaves on for the most part because I think that the leaves give the bouquet a volume that you can't find in a store-bought bouquet. Tulip leaves could be so voluptuous, and I think that it's really important to share that with our clients.
They're all wrapped up. I have my label on here and they're all nice and neat. I'm so excited to get these to our clients. What I will do is I put them in this cart, and I get this from Costco. It's really convenient because it can collapse. And so in transport, I put a little bucket of water in there and they are secure and they're not gonna fall down during transport. And then we'll get them into vases and leave them either on the doorstep or in the hands of our clients for our CSA. So excited to get these in their hands and to have brought you along with us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.